Today, I want to talk about one of the most influential personal finance books of all time, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, by Robert Kiyosaki. This book has sold over 32 million copies worldwide and has helped millions of people change their mindset and take control of their financial future. So, let's dive into the main lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Lesson 1. The difference between assets and liabilities. The first lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. According to the author, an asset is something that puts money in your pocket, while a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. Kiyosaki argues that the wealthy focus on acquiring assets that generate income, while the middle class and poor focus on acquiring liabilities that drain their income. Therefore, if you want to become wealthy, you should focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income. Lesson 2. The importance of financial education. The second lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of financial education. Kiyosaki argues that the education system is designed to produce employees, not entrepreneurs or investors. Therefore, if you want to become wealthy, you need to educate yourself about money, investing, and business. Financial education can help you make informed decisions about your finances and take control of your financial future. Lesson 3. The power of entrepreneurship. The third lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the power of entrepreneurship. Kiyosaki argues that starting your own business is one of the best ways to become wealthy. By starting your own business, you can create assets that generate passive income and take control of your financial future. Entrepreneurship requires risk-taking and hard work, but it can be a path to financial freedom and independence. Lesson 4. The importance of taking action. The fourth lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the importance of taking action. Kiyosaki argues that knowledge is not enough. You need to take action to achieve your financial goals. Many people have good ideas but never take action on them, which prevents them from achieving success. To become wealthy, you need to take calculated risks, make mistakes, and learn from them. Lesson 5. The value of time. The fifth and final lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad is the value of time. Kiyosaki argues that time is our most valuable asset, and we should use it wisely. By investing our time in activities that generate passive income, we can create wealth and achieve financial freedom. Therefore, we should focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income and delegate tasks that do not add value to our lives. To summarize it all again, understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Educate yourself about money, investing, and business. Start your own businesses. Take action. Value your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.